I'm Logan Crawford, and this is Team NFT Studio 24. NFT Studio 24 is a global media platform dedicated to empowering the emerging world of decentralization, blockchain, metaverse, NFT, and crypto by reporting on the latest and most authentic news. We interview various figures to highlight their expertise and contributions to the industry in hopes of conveying the right message to our global audience. In today's episode, we will be interviewing Felipe Rieger of Klever Finance. He is the head of Klever NFT and Klever Exchange, and he has been deeply involved with the company since the very beginning. Klever is a public blockchain infrastructure for the internet founded in 2019 by Bruno Campos, Dio Ianakiara, and Dio Ianakiara. It is a proper finance ecosystem that provides blockchain solutions and cryptocurrency products with its various products, including its NFT marketplace called Klever NFT, Klever Exchange, Klever Swap, and Klever OS. It has its own app as well. It is called the Klever App, of course. It serves about 3 million users from more than 190 countries from around the globe. Let's say a big hello and a big welcome to Felipe Rieger. Thank you so much for joining us here today, Felipe.
Thanks for having me, Logan. It's my pleasure to be in this program. I'm
Absolutely.
So happy to be here.
Great to talk with you. Klever Exchange is a rising platform that has been rapidly developing itself and adding more and more cryptocurrencies for its users. Can you introduce us to this exchange and tell us what makes it so unique?
Yes, Klever Exchange is a brand new exchange. It's launched at the end of 2021. And now it's a crypto-to-crypto exchange. So we are working hard to support fiat transactions very soon. It's an easy user experience and simple strategy that allow anyone to trade. We have fewer screens, and also we focus on easier adoption. So we are the only one in the market right now with negative makers fees for our traders. So all the competitors have different VIP fee and also VIP tiers. So we have a negative maker fees for all the traders. So this is different from the others. So also we have a listing shop that is integrated in our exchange, and this makes it easy for new projects to apply and list with us. So also we are launching a liquidity pool very soon. And we support also developers to build bots and all their apps inside our API. So we are developer friendly, we are user friendly, and wants to have easy adoption. So we have fewer screens also.
Now, Klever Exchange makes the trading experience easier for users. Can you give us details on the functionality of the platform and what traders can achieve through the platform?
Yeah, we created this platform to be the simplest in the market. So we give users completely different support. So we have beginners starting to trade with us. So we have a full support that gives us them training, also support on any question they have it. So we also focus more on the negative fees because it's very difficult for traders to start because exchange has a lot of fees, and once we get the negative fees, you can also get back these fees if you trade with us. So we know that in the beginning it's difficult and crypto can be very expensive. So we give support for the beginners and also for experienced traders, but we are focusing on an easy adoption for traders that is starting to know and get in this market.
Wonderful. It seems to be working. Now, moving from crypto to NFTs, Klever has its own NFT marketplace. What's the vision behind Klever NFT and what makes it stand out from other NFT marketplaces?
Yeah, we are actually making a new branding for and also a new experience for NFT. So Klever NFT is becoming more than only a marketplace. So we are changing to a Web3 infrastructure platform. We are creating a lot of things inside our company. What I can say is that we are creating a disruptive minting platform for Klever Chain NFTs with built on-chain royalties that will allow creators to give utility for them and integrate with third parties out without needing to code. So We want creators that doesn't know how to code or to mint a smart contract to easily create and use this platform to easily get inside crypto. I think that different for us is that we have a built on chain native royalties feature. That is, we can track royalties for creators with transactions made everywhere. So it doesn't depend on a marketplace like Polygon or other chains that needs to track these transactions on the OpenSea protocol. So Klever Chain NFTs can track everywhere its own chain. The name of this platform that we are launching is called Mint3. So we have it's the first time that I'm talking this publicly. It's a platform that we have features for membership NFTs, music NFTs, file NFTs, and there's a lot of things coming also. We will explore so much the power of our royalties on chain features. This is helping many creators and industries. We are already in talks with some great artists, Grammy winners, and celebrities that want to start this in the coming week. So we are very excited for this upcoming launch.
Wonderful. It seems like Klever is really bringing the NFT marketplace forward. In many areas, the NFT marketplace isn't doing very great right now. What are your predictions for the NFT market this year? And how much do you think it's going to grow over the next 5 years?
I'm always bullish. I'm super bullish for NFTs, including this year. I think that right now the hype phase is low a lot, and we are changing the way NFTs are used. This is what I call the utility phase. GameFi, the NFTs, music NFTs, membership NFTs. A lot of industries are starting to benefit from this, like big brands and all these stuffs. But I think that it's interesting because I founded a lot of other companies and I created other products. And as a product manager, I work with developers for years, and I think that's really interesting to see how the media and the market treating this NFT space. Honestly, I don't understand the fact that we use the word NFT so much. We never use it, for example, MongoDB or Postgres or SQL, for example, for products like Instagram. So
Right.
look, this is Instagram. You can have your profile in a cloud database, and everyone in the world can see your picture as a filter. At the beginning of the Web2 era, I remember that media using the word cloud company so much, but later it stopped. I think this is the same with NFTs. I think NFTs is just a better tech, you know, it's simple like that. It's the first time you can actually own something on digital. And I think this is not only on, you can make something digital have the meaning of a physical one. You know, this is the completely new technology that can change the world, and I think that is changing. But you can build anything in a better way with this. There is no limit; it's limitless. So 5 years from now, we will see the word NFT very often, and the applications we will use it in a way or another. And I think that many industries will completely change with this. And once we stop talking about NFT and use it without knowing, I think that's the moment where the mainstream has come. So I think that's the tech. Right now we are talking about the tech, and later we will talk about the applications. You know, I think this is the phase that we're going.
Absolutely. A lot of people right now are hearing about the developer jargon, and it confuses them. Once it becomes easy and simple and seamless, I think the marketplace will absolutely take off. Now, Klever recently launched Klever Blockchain. How will this blockchain contribute both to Klever NFT and Klever Exchange?
Yeah, Klever Chain opens a new chapter in Klever history. Talking about the exchange, we can now complete the full package of our Launchpad product. So great developers and founders can create using all the infrastructure that we have, like we have the exchange, the wallet, and also the blockchain. So our Launchpad product, it's full package right now. Listing on major exchanges also can be easier for us, as right now we are layer 1 blockchain. So other projects using our blockchain will need to integrate with us to list them. So the exchange will be more friendly to do that, you know. And also NFT projects can benefit from our scalable tools and the Web3 infrastructure that we are creating, like the royalties on chain and all the stuff that we can do on chain. So yeah, we are very excited with this new chapter in Klever history.
Wonderful. Now, a recent white paper says that the company mentioned that Klever Blockchain or Klever Chain technology provides pre-built and ready-to-use functionalities for developers. Tell us briefly how developers can benefit from this blockchain network.
Yeah, Klever Chain is built with ready-to-use apps like staking or any other tools that we call CAPS, is key apps. This is a brand new approach that makes easy for anyone who wants to build on the blockchain. As Dio, our CEO always says, you don't have to understand blockchain to use it. I think that the most of the best technology we have in the world right now are accessible to anyone, and blockchain should be like this too. I think we need to remove this image from the blockchain and crypto space and make it easier for developers and creators. So blockchain is the technology. It doesn't replace the creativity, the talent, and Klever Chain wants to be the easy road when entering the blockchain space. That's my personal opinion.
Sounds great. Now, talking about crypto for a second, Klever recently launched its own native coin, KFI, and Manet coin, KLV. What are these coins for, and how much do you think these coins will be worth in the next 5 years, say?
Yeah, KLV is the utility token and main token for our blockchain. So it's the token you use to pay fees in our network. You can stake and you can do all the things also, but it's the main token from our blockchain. KFI is the governance token for Klever Chain. You can use it for network decisions and receive rewards from the network. You can check on klever.finance and know everything about the KFI also. Personally, I don't like to make coin predictions, and especially with pricing, but I prefer to say that we are building a unique development space inside the crypto ecosystem. And in less than 2 years, we have built a wallet, exchange, NFT marketplace, and launched a layer 1 blockchain. So I don't see any other projects in the world right now developing and scale a crypto ecosystem at this time, at this speed. So we have almost 200 people around the world working with our team. I can easily say and see that Klever being have reference and leading the crypto I think that for sure. So in 5 years from now. So 5 years in crypto are so much time, and the speed of development in space is completely different. So yeah, I think that I see a huge price increase once we get a lot of projects and transactions in our network. I think it can come soon, but also depends on the market sentiment. So yeah, Klever is here to stay. We will go nowhere. I think it will keep building and growing on a daily basis. And I think that we are ready, really starting now with the layer 1 blockchain launch. So yeah, we are very excited for these upcoming times.
A lot of people are excited about Klever as well. Now, as head of Klever NFT and Klever Exchange, what do you hope to achieve in the next 10 years? What are your long-term and short-term plans with Klever?
Yeah, I want to achieve the milestones with Klever, and that has to be a top crypto ecosystem in the world, disrupt many industries and change many lives. This is my personal motto. I think that is the milestone for Klever. My short-term goals are to launch the best Web3 infrastructure for NFTs, and also make the Klever chain a top blockchain in the space. Klever Exchange also as a short-term be on the top 50 exchanges in the world. Long-term goals, I can say that we want to put Klever Exchange on the top 10 exchanges in the world, and we have one of the best Web3 ecosystems in the world. Help Klever to be on the top crypto ecosystem. Yeah, God, it's so exciting, just starting.
I'm sure. Very, very exciting. It's an exciting time to be a developer and a creator and an executive during this rapid growth period and during this exciting era. Now, you are an inspiring figure for the Web3 community. What message would you like to give our viewers here at NFT Studio 24, Web3 developers, stakeholders, and the emerging creators out there?
Yeah, I can say for you, just start. Sometimes the road is really hard, it's challenging, it's not so easy. But if you want to make an impact in this world, I think Web3 is really a game-changer opportunity for you. Focus on your development and your skills and find out a great Web3 community and platform to create your products. We are here to help you achieve that. So never listen to anyone or to someone that haven't achieved success or passes through the phases, they start, the build, the fail, repeat, and also the success. You have to focus on people that is on pass for these phases, you know. And I can say always to do your own research on crypto, focus on projects with utility, stay away from people that showing only the glory and the guys that always saying have fun, staying poor, all this stuff that crypto that I think is really bad for crypto, you know. And follow the tech and the nerds and people who wants to be the change. That's what I can say, you know.
Absolutely. Great advice. Just start. That is the best advice of all. Follow the nerds is always great advice as well. We appreciate that.
Sure.
Now it's time for our rapid fire questions. I'm going to ask you a series of questions and just hear a quick response from you. Okay. And here we go. What do you think Ethereum prices will be in the year 2030?
Yeah, I think it depends on the network updates. If they deliver on the roadmap, I think it can be 1,000 to 5,000% more than values today, for sure.
How low do you think Bitcoin will go in 2022?
People say 12K, 8K, the lower. Honestly, I think that we have reached the market low already. I see the market sentiment changing a little bit, but also depend on macroeconomic factors.
Bitcoin's upcoming haul is in 2024. What's your price prediction for that?
It depends on the economy too. I see the market coming back very strong in the next 24 months. I think that will be more than our last ATH, all-time high. Possibly BTC crossing the long-awaited 100K USD mark, I think.
What are your predictions for the overall crypto market this year?
I'm super bullish for developers with passion and skills to create amazing applications with utility that really benefits people's life. I think this is where the market is heading to.
Which crypto coins are more likely to give good profit during this bear market right now?
A lot of projects are with excellent entry points right now. I start with the top 20 coins, which are all with good entry points. I'm investing in Web3 projects, some GameFi and some layer 1 blockchain called Klever.
Absolutely. Do you think the world will fully adapt to digital currencies by the year 2025?
I think that the world will adapt wallets as a mechanism of digital ownership, a tech update like we have Web2 accounts and profiles in the cloud. I see that crypto adoption without knowing how this works as we have in other apps today, like the Meta, Facebook, using blockchain and metaverse for user without knowing this. You know, I think that the gamer using blockchain without knowing the tech, I think this is the mainstream blockchain adoption for me when user doesn't know that they are using this tech.
Absolutely. Felipe Rieger, thank you so much for your time and joining us today. We've been talking to Felipe Rieger of Klever. I'm Logan Crawford for NFT Studio 24. Be sure to leave a like, a comment, and to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive content like this. Until next time for NFT Studio 24, I'm Logan Crawford.